So before proceeding further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So I was streaming Netflix and all of a sudden I just got this error message. We're having a problem connecting to Netflix. Please try again later or try an alternative network connection, in brackets 3.1. So generally this issue comes up when you have issues with your network, okay, that your current network, the network to which you're connected to, the network you are connected to currently experiences issues, okay. It's either your data balance is finished or you are just having network issues overall, okay. So what you want to do is, if you are connected to a Wi-Fi box as I am, you just want to switch your network, okay. You just want to switch to maybe your mobile data connection. And if you're connected to your mobile data, you just want to switch to your Wi-Fi connection. Best of cases, the first thing that you even want to even consider trying to do is to quit the Netflix app, just as so. Just want to click on this OK button, and after clicking the OK button, you should be taken to the TV cast that you were actually streaming, okay. So from here now, you can see I'm streaming Lucifer. After switching your network connection, you just want to click on this resume, and there is. So because of copyright issues, I can't actually stream this TV show, okay. So I just want to show you the best way to fix or to get around this issue. And as I said, the best thing that you want to do is to switch network connection. If you're on data, you just want to switch to your Wi-Fi network, and if you're on Wi-Fi, you just want to switch to your mobile data. And if that's the case, if after doing so you still persist, just want to quit the Netflix app, and then you make sure that you clear the cache. If your TV supports clearing cache, you just want to clear the cache before even doing all of those, okay. And again, as a quick reminder, I am actually streaming Netflix on TV, okay. So this issue typically persists on TV, and if you follow the steps or the simple ways that I've illustrated to fix this issue, you're able to get Netflix working right away on your TV. All right. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode.